Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Doshi sir. Today's topic is 5th standard maths problem set 49 question number 8 question number 9. Okay, the sides of a triangle are 24.7 centimeter, 20.4 centimeter and 10.5 centimeter respectively. What is the perimeter of triangle? Okay, now the sides of triangles are given and we have to find out the perimeter of triangle. Now see, for this I draw one triangle ABC. One side of triangle is 24.7. Is it centimeter? Yes, it is centimeter. Okay, one side is 24.7 centimeter. Then second side is 20.4 centimeter and third side is 10.5 centimeter. What is the perimeter of triangle? See, perimeter of triangle formula is, I write here, perimeter of triangle. What is the formula for perimeter of triangle? Sum of all three sides. Okay, sum of three sides. Sum means what? Addition. Okay, addition of three sides, that is AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, now your AB is how much? 24.7 plus BC is 10.5 plus AC is 20.4. now we have to add here. Suppose 24.7, मैं आपको एडिशन पूरा करके दिखा रहा हूँ. देखो 10.5 and 20.4. now here 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16. Okay, point is as it is, carry 1. 4 plus 1 5, 0 0 5 as it is. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. That is your answer is perimeter of triangle is 55.6 centimeter. What is the perimeter of triangle? Therefore, your last answer is perimeter of triangle is equals to 55.6 centimeter. Understood? Now see question number 10. Look at the figures on the sheet of the graph paper. Measure their sides with the help of lines on the graph paper. Write the perimeter of each in the right box. Now see, perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Perimeter means sum of all four sides. Okay. Now see AB. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And a half है ना, तो 3.5. Okay. 3.5. This is what? 3.5. Is it right? Centimeter. And this is here. This is 1 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. And this is again 5. That is 2.5 centimeter. This side is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Then this side is also, opposite sides of rectangles are congruent. Congruent का मतलब equal. दोनों सेम रहते हैं. ये 3.5 है तो ये भी क्या होगा? 3.5. नाउ पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल ABCD कैसे निकालते? पेरीमीटर रेक्टेंगल का 2 इन ब्रैकेट लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड. तो अभी लेंथ कितना है? देखो लेंथ का मतलब ये लेंथ पूरा कितना है? 3.5. ओके. ब्रेड कितना है? 2.5. नाउ सी 2 एज इट इज. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 कितना होगा? 6. तो 6 2 का कितना है आंसर? 12 सेंटीमीटर. here 3.5 plus 2.5. 5 5 0 1 कैरी. 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6.0 का मतलब होता है 6. and 6 multiply to here 2 multiply by 6. remember this thing. 2 6 are 12. therefore your answer is 12 centimeter. now next question is perimeter of rectangle EFGH. How to find out perimeter of rectangle EFGH? Here EF कितना है? देखो E, this is from here to here 1, देन दिस इज 2 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 3 सेंटीमीटर, और 3 के आगे कितना है देखो लाइन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 लाइन है ना, तो कितना आएगा 3.8 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज द लेंथ, दिस इज लेंथ। ओके, नाउ ब्रेड इज हियर, दिस इज 1 सेंटीमीटर, 1 के आगे कितना लाइन है 1 2 3, दैट मीन्स 1.3। ओके, देखो फिर एक बार, ये 1 लाइन, ये 2 लाइन और ये 3, दैट इज 1.3 सेंटीमीटर। ठीक है, 1.3 सेंटीमीटर। एक बार बड़ा करके दिखा था आपको तो क्लियर हो जाएगा। देखो इधर 3 लाइन से 1, ओके, 2 एंड 3, और बड़ा करके देखो, नहीं समझता तो रुको। अभी देखो, अभी क्लियर दिख रहा है 1 2 3, ठीक है, देखो 1 2 and this is third line, okay, 1.3 centimeter, is it clear? Now length is 3.8, okay, length कितना है 3.8 और breadth कितना है 1.3, तो how to find the area, sorry, perimeter of rectangle, 2 in bracket length plus breadth, किसका निकाल रहे हैं हम EFGH, okay, perimeter of quadrilateral, इसको बोलते हैं quadrilateral, EFGH, okay, 2 in bracket L plus B, now see here 2 as it is, length कितना है 3.8 plus breadth कितना है 1.3, अब ये दोनों का एडिशन 2 as it is, now see 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, okay, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, okay, 5.1, okay, 5.1, that means 2 multiplied by 5.1, तो कितना आंसर आएगा 2 1 जा 2, ओके, एंड 2 5 जा 10, that is 10.2 सेंटीमीटर, that is perimeter of EFGH. Here EFGH, where is EFGH? See EFGH, that is कितना है हमारा आंसर 10.2 सेंटीमीटर। I write here perimeter of EFGH is equals to 10.2 centimeter. That is the last answer. Now perimeter of sphere PQRS. अभी स्क्वायर का इजी रहता है, स्क्वायर का कैसा निकालते हैं हम perimeter, 4 multiply by perimeter of sphere is 4 multiply by side. Okay, remember this perimeter of sphere, ये is equals to इधर लिखो पहले, हाँ 4 multiply by side। अभी साइड कितना है देखो 1 2 और 2 के आगे कितना लाइन है 1 2 3 4 लाइन, ओके, दैट मीन्स साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 2.4, इधर भी 2.4 रहेगा, देखो 2.4 लाइन है ना बराबर, तो सब साइड कितना रहता है स्क्वायर का सेम रहता है, तो सब साइड क्या रहेगा 2.4 सेंटीमीटर। तो अभी क्या आएगा आंसर 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2.4, ओके, हियर करते 2.4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 कितना आता है देखो 4 4 जा 16, 1 कैरी, 4 2 जा 8 plus 1 9, that is 9.6, perimeter of sphere PQRS is 9.6 centimeter, okay, perimeter of rectangle STUV. Now what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equals to, I write here perimeter of rectangle, that is quadrilateral, STUV, STUV is equals to 2 in bracket length plus breadth, okay. Now length is here, this is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter, length is 3 centimeter, L is equals to 3 centimeter. Now breadth is 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, breadth is equals to 2 centimeter. Now see here, I write here 2 as it is, 3 centimeter plus same to same above problem 2 centimeter, that is 2 as it is, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2 multiplied by 5, your answer is 10 centimeter, that is the perimeter of rectangle STUV, okay. How to find out area, revision of 4th and 3rd standard. Now see in quadrilateral ABCD, area of quadrilateral. Here how many squares are there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore area of this quadrilateral is 6 square centimeter. Okay. Now area of this square, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 squares. Therefore area of this is 9 square centimeter, right, in this way. Now here area of EFGH. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore area of this is 4 square centimeter. Then next one is here area of PQRS. Here how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 square. Therefore area is 5 square centimeter. Now area of ILKJ. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 square. Therefore area is 8 square centimeter. Okay, we have to count the square and write the areas. I write here area of MNRS is 9 square centimeter. Okay, then area of PQRS. Here area of PQRS. Where is PQRS? PQRS, that is 5 square centimeter. I write here area of PQRS is 5 square centimeter. Then area of EFGH. Area of EFGH 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore area of EFGH is 4 centimeter. Then area of IJKL. Area of IJKL 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares are there. Therefore IJKL is 8 square centimeter. Here it is 8 square centimeter. Okay. Now see formula for the area of rectangle. Very easy. Now see how many squares are there? 1. Here 1. This is first, second, third, 4 and 5. This is what? Length of rectangle. That is 5 centimeter. Then breadth of rectangle. Now breadth is here 1, then 2, 1, 2 and 3. That is what? Your breadth. How to find out area of rectangle? See, this is breadth is equals to here 3 centimeter. Length is 5. Now area of rectangle formula is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. Now your length is how much? So your length is 5 multiplied by breadth is 3 and therefore 5 3s are 15 square centimeter. That is your area of this rectangle ABCD. The area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Okay. Then formula for the area of square. Remember, very easy. Area of square formula is here length of the side into length of the side, or you can say area of square is equals to side square. साइड स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या होता है? साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. रिमेंबर, साइड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. दैट इज नोन एज साइड स्क्वायर. साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. That is the area of. Now see problem set 50, question number 1. The length of the side of each square is given below. Find its area. Now side is given. See, side of square is given, that is 12. Okay. You know that area of square. I write here formula for area of square. Formula is area of square is equals to side square. Okay. Area of square is equals to side square. That is the formula for area of square. Now side is how much? 12. 12 square. 12 square means 12 multiply by 12. Okay, 12 12 are. Your answer is 144 square meters. That is the area of the square. That is question number 1. Answer of question number 1. Now question number 2 is 6 centimeter. Again we can write formula for area of square. Area of square is equals to, formula is side square. Okay, side square, same formula, side square. Now side is given, that is 6 centimeter. Therefore I write here 6 to the whole square. 6 square means 6 multiplied by 6. That is 36 square meter. No, centimeter. Here it is centimeter, remember. Then third question. Third question is 25 meters. Now I write here again formula for area of square. Area of square is equals to side square. Side square. Area of square is equals to side square. Now side is, how much side is there? Side is 25. Therefore I write here 25 square. Okay. Now 25 multiply by 25. 25 square means 25 multiplied by 25. And if we multiply 25 by 25, your answer is 625 square meter. Okay. 625 square meters. Now next fourth question is, again we have to write area of square. I write here area of square. Area of square, formula is side square. Your formula is side square. Okay, and our side is, now see in fourth question they supply side as 18 centimeter. Now I write here 18. साइड की जगह क्या डालना है? 18. 18 square. That means 18 multiply by 18. And here 18, if you multiply 18 by 18, आपके मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ? 8 8 जा 64, 6 carry. Okay. 8 1 जा 8 plus 6 14, 144. Okay. I write here 4 14. Again 0. 1 8 जा 8, 1 1 जा 1. And therefore answer is 4. 8 plus 4 12. 1 carry, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. That is 324. I write here 324 square. Now see here centimeter is there, and therefore we can write centimeter. If meter is there, we can write meter. This ends your problem set 49, question number 9 and 10, and problem set 50, question number 1.